Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the KFLOW portable coffee maker. In the box, you'll get a user manual and portable coffee maker. KFLOW portable coffee maker is your best choice to savor all the varieties of ground coffee and enjoy an authentic espresso wherever you are. Compact, lightweight, and sturdy, KFLOW portable coffee maker will make you smile when you get the first drip of espresso from this little coffee bullet. Thanks to the upgraded foldable design, this coffee machine has become one of the lightest and most compact espresso machines. In addition, our portable espresso maker doesn't require electricity or batteries, which makes it portable, eco-friendly, and no need to worry about no place to charge on the go. With the top pump design, you can press more easily and save 30% of the force to create the same thick foam compared to other brands of espresso makers. In addition, equipped with a coffee holder, the body will be more stable when making coffee. This modern portable espresso maker is also easy to clean as each component is easily separated and waterproof. With the innovative construction of the 16-bar stable pressure pumping technology, the KFLOW portable coffee maker will help you brew a real espresso with a perfect and dense crema. It will emit maximum aroma and oils with the same effect as a large coffee maker, in addition to inexpensive, compact, and completely portable. With our manual espresso machine, there is no need to compromise on a bulky, expensive device. Whether you're looking for something to perk up your morning commute or want to sip a cup of espresso on the go, these portable coffee makers are an absolute game changer. With our travel coffee maker, you can easily experience the pleasure of drinking high-quality espresso from the first sip to the last drop no matter where you are. Perfect for traveling, camping, home, kitchen, office, and so much more.